morning, everyone. It is another early day today. We're going for a bike ride, but we are not biking by my house because I have to do an hour and a half bike ride, which is a really, really long time. And sometimes I really don't like doing it here by the house when it's that long because I have to stop in several stoplights and it kind of just stops my groove. But I do it during the week because it's just the closest thing to me. So we are going to go to a bike trail here in Tampa that's super popular amongst cyclists, triathletes. It's like so long. I think it's like 55 miles long, and it goes all the way up north from the Tampa area. So it's my first time. I am a little nervous, and oh my gosh, you guys, there's like a whole bunch of cyclists right now. Let me try to film them on my phone. My area does have like a lot of them and I run into them every once in a while. I run into them, but I'm too shy, way too shy to be like cycling with people. Maybe I'll grab the nerves once I learn how to actually clip in, but for right now I'm going solo. But I'm a little nervous. We'll see how this goes. I have my overnight oats to fuel me, and it is 7 o'clock in the morning. Woo! Let's get this bike ride started. After the bike ride, I have to do 15 minutes of running. So it's almost 2-hour workout today, but it's okay. It's Saturday. I can do it calmly. My husband's with the kids. Oh my gosh, and there's more bikers. This is so funny. There they go. They're everywhere. This is so funny. All right, friends, we made it here. I'm nervous. There's so many cyclists. I really don't like it when there's this many people, but I guess I gotta get used to it because that's how races are. Oh, we can do hard things. We can do hard things. The impossible is possible. It's all about doing things for yourself, right, friends?
Liking for you is all I need until my heart.
Oh my gosh, you guys, this is loose. But luckily, they have these little stations, so we're gonna tighten it up. Just my luck. I drive all the way out here and this handlebar moves on me. I think I fixed it. I think we're ready now to go on this bike ride. Great way to start. Great way to start.
Stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. A deep and abiding liking for you is all I need until my heart gives in. I will do everything I can for you.
All right, we rode 22.27 miles in 1 hour and 30 minutes. That was really slow, but it was a zone 2, so it is what it is. Now I have to go run at 15 minutes. Oh, it is getting hot, you guys. It is getting so hot. Oh no, there goes my earphone. I can't even talk. Anyways, let me finish this workout. We did it, you guys. We ran 15 minutes. I had to unzip this. I forgot to put Vaseline or something here because it rubs and it scrapes my neck. And I forgot to unzip it, add Vaseline, and now it scraped my neck. But we did it. The sun, y'all, the sun is no joke. But we got it done. Now it's time to go home.
My business, humming a song. I'm happy by myself, not a care in the world. This is a life, just me, myself, and I. I am watching the clouds up in the sky, all but laughing out loud. I'm telling you why I'm living the life, just me, myself, and I. To think that life was cold and lonely when you up and left me, sadness overwhelming. Oh me, I am out and about, painting the town red. I'm coming around, there ain't no doubt about it. I'm no longer blue, so glad we are through. Just me, myself, and I.
Today is a new day and we are here to have a fall pumpkin type of day. It is currently 92 degrees, but it's okay. You know, it's all in the mind. It's all in the atmosphere. They got our pumpkins out, so we're gonna enjoy them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Oh, look at him.
Oh, we know
this is adorable. Oh my gosh, I want it.
What we're looking for in life. Call us crazy.
We have eaten some food, good old Casey's Corner. Now we are going to try to go ride the Little Mermaid ride because we are fans right now, and it's only a 5-minute wait. Hopefully still a 5-minute wait. Things change. Disney in the fall is truly the place to be. The decorations are absolutely beautiful and they bring such a magical feel to the parks. September is definitely one of the best times to visit since it's a transition month when most kids are back in school, so the crowds are lighter. And on our visit, the lines were so short that in just 2 hours, we rode 3 rides, watched this show, and even caught the parade. Now, one thing I will say is that it is extremely hot, so stay hydrated and kind of find places to escape the heat. I like going to either the Dumbo ride or the Little Mermaid ride. one of the places to escape the heat. The Little Mermaid ride is pretty long. It's a conveyor belt ride, so you're gonna be indoors, A, for the line, and B, the ride is pretty long that you're gonna cool off. So after the show, since we were so hot, I was like, you know what? We need to go ride the Little Mermaid. But of course, before going on the Little Mermaid ride, we saw the teacups, and my little one is obsessed with that ride. So we had to make a pit stop and go on that, then the Little Mermaid, and of course end with the Dumbo ride. Well, the Little Mermaid was super fun, and it was a nice break because it is hot. That show randomly started and she loves it, so we had to see it, but it's like 1 o'clock when it comes on, so it is boiling hot. I mean, it's unbelievably hot. So we rode the teacups, as you saw, because she saw those and was like, I want that. Then we did the Little Mermaid to get some AC, and now we're about to go on Dumbo.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions, we'll get away, this is what we waited for.
When in the Dumbo area, we cannot forget our frozen lemonade. Oh, it's so good from here, especially when it's really hot. Cheers! So they changed the lemonades, you guys. That's a bummer. They're like more carbonated. Before it used to be like a proper like slushy lemonade. Not anymore. That's quite disappointing because it doesn't taste that great anymore. We were on our way out when we saw that Maribel had the shortest line ever and decided to pop on in. My little one loves her and she was starstruck. Well, hello everyone. Today is a new day and we are doing book club with a little bit of Mexican food, and then we're gonna browse Barnes & Noble. I have some books in mind that I want to get because they are fall themed, so that's what we're gonna do. This is your sign to start a book club if you want to. I wanted to start one because I had two of my friends who loved to read, and we just happened to all read the same thing. And I was like, you know what? Let's start a book club. And now once a month we get together, go to a restaurant, or we do a craft, and we discuss the book of the month that we choose. So this was such a fun time that I totally did not vlog the rest of my evening. I scouted the 2 books that I wanted, and this month our book club is going to be reading The Bride as well as Bewitched. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.